How to join Slack Workplace? Got an invite to Slack? Let's join your new workspace. Make sure you have already created your account and then which is from your workspace. Step 1. Open the invitation email from Slack. Step 2. Get joining. Now, to get joining, click Join Now. It will take you to Slack login or app. If you don't have an account, create one by adding your name and password. Already I have an account, just sign in and you're in. Step 5. The workspace will now appear in your app. Tap to start chatting. Pro tip: save your invite email or workspace URL in case you need to rejoin later or from another device.